Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Peter channel. I'm Peter, and today, as always, I'm here with the wonderful, cheerful, and incredibly smart Lily.
Hello, Peter, and hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. I am so happy to be here today. Every time we sit in the studio, I feel excited.
Me too. There's something special about starting a new conversation. I never know where it will go, but it always turns out fun.
That's because we talk naturally, like real friends. Nothing prepared, nothing forced. Just two people having a conversation, and everyone listening feels like they're here with us.
Right, like they're sitting in the room. So, Lily, how are you feeling today?
Honestly, Peter, I'm feeling great. I woke up early, had a nice breakfast, and the weather is beautiful.
Perfect combination. Meanwhile, I woke up late, skipped breakfast, and ran here like I was in a race.
That sounds exactly like you. You always run into the studio at the last minute.
Hey, I like living dangerously. And besides, it gives me energy.
And you still look calm and relaxed somehow. How do you do that?
Years of practice, my friend. Years of practice.
So, Peter, today I thought we could talk about something light, simple, but meaningful. Daily conversations.
Ah, I like that. Daily conversations are the heart of communication.
Yes, and we use them everywhere. At home, at work, at a cafe, when meeting friends.
Even when ordering ice cream.
Especially that. Ice cream conversations are important.
Very serious business.
Let's start with mornings. What's the first thing someone says to you when you wake up?
Usually, Peter, wake up. You're late.
Okay, besides that.
Well, if someone asks politely, they might say, "Good morning. How did you sleep?"
Yes, and you might answer, I slept well, or I had a long night, or I need 5 more hours.
5 more hours sounds accurate.
Peter, you really need to fix your sleep schedule.
Where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
I will, one day. Probably next year.
Let's move to breakfast. What do you usually eat?
Coffee?
Peter, you cannot eat coffee.
I can when I'm in a hurry.
You mean you skip breakfast.
Yes, but when I do eat, I like toast.
Toast is simple but nice. I usually have fruit and yogurt.
That sounds healthy. I admire your discipline.
Thank you. I try. But sometimes I eat pancakes instead.
A true balance in life.
Breakfast conversations are fun, but what about conversations at a cafe?
Oh yes, imagine you walk into a cafe. What's the first thing you say?
Good morning, because I'm polite.
Good. And then?
I say, can I get a large coffee, please?
You always choose the largest size.
Of course, life is too short for small coffee.
And if they ask, for here or to go?
I always say, to go, so I can walk around with my giant cup.
That cup looks like a bucket sometimes.
Whatever keeps me awake. Now, let's talk about shopping. Clothes shopping can be interesting.
Interesting for you, stressful for me.
Why stressful?
Because I can never find my size.
Well, I guess that happens to everyone sometimes.
Last week, I found a shirt I loved, but the only size left was small.
Did you try it on?
Yes,
And?
I looked like a tightly wrapped burrito.
Oh no.
Truly tragic.
Okay. So imagine you need help in a clothing store. What do you say?
I say, excuse me, do you have this in a larger size? Perfect. And if you want to try it on, you ask, where is the fitting room?
I once asked that, and the person pointed to a mirror.
A mirror?
Yes, I think they misunderstood me.
Or they wanted you to just look at yourself?
Maybe they thought I didn't need new clothes. What about conversations on the street? Like when you're lost.
Ah, yes. My specialty.
You get lost often?
Very often. Even with GPS.
That takes talent, Peter.
Thank you. So, when I'm lost, I ask, "Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop?"
And usually people say, go straight, turn left, or turn right.
Sometimes they say, "It's very close," but then I walk for 10 minutes.
That happens to everyone.
But somehow always happens to me more.
Poor Peter.
Okay, next, conversations with friends.
Yes, inviting friends to do things.
Do you want to grab dinner?
Do you want to see a movie?
Do you want to go for a walk?
And the reply can be, that sounds great.
Or if you're busy, "I'm sorry, I can't tonight."
You know, you say that a lot.
I do, because I'm always editing videos.
Dedication. Lily, I think we're close to the end of part 1.
Yes, let's end with small talk.
The most universal conversation type.
How are you doing?
I'm good, and you?
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing.
Perfect.
And that's the end of part 1.
Stay tuned. Part 2 is coming right now.
Welcome back, everyone. This is part 2 of our big conversation. Lily, are you still full of energy?
Always! Talking with you is easy and fun.
Thank you. So, where do we go next?
I want to talk about conversations at work.
Ah, yes, the famous, did you finish the report?
Exactly. So imagine I'm your boss, and I ask, "Peter, do you have a minute?"
That sentence always scares me.
It scares everyone.
But I reply, sure, what's up?
And then I say, "Did you finish the report?"
And I answer, yes, it's almost ready.
Almost?
Almost is a very flexible word, Lily.
Peter. Let's move to teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Good phrase. When you need help, you can say, "Can you help me with this?"
And the other person might say, of course, or give me a moment.
Or, "I'll take care of it."
That's my favorite reply.
Mine too.
Another area, food conversations.
Yes, always an important topic.
For example, deciding what to eat. What do you want for lunch?
How about noodles?
Sounds good to me.
Or, my favorite, "Let's order dessert."
Dessert is always yes.
Always.
Now, let's talk about feelings. Emotional conversations.
Emotional? Should I prepare tissues?
No, just normal feelings, like I'm tired today, or I feel great, or I'm stressed.
I say I'm tired way too often.
Because you sleep too late.
True, but I also say, I'm excited when we film.
That's good.
What about weather conversations?
Oh, yes. Classic small talk.
It's really hot today.
It's a beautiful day.
Looks like it might rain.
Weather conversations never end.
Another situation, asking for opinions.
What do you think about this?
I like it, or I'm not sure, or maybe we should change it.
Simple but helpful phrases.
Then we have conversations about plans.
Like scheduling something. Are you free tomorrow?
What time works for you?
Let's meet at 3 p.m.
Done. Easy.
And we cannot forget phone calls.
Yes. The fear of many learners.
But simple. You start with, hello, may I speak to?
Or, I'd like to make an appointment.
Clear and polite.
Lily, I think we are approaching the end of our 2,000-word journey.
Yes, but let's finish with something warm. Saying goodbye politely.
It was nice talking to you.
Have a great day.
See you next time.
Perfect ways to end conversations.
Lily, this was a wonderful session.
I agree. I hope everyone enjoyed listening as much as we enjoyed talking.
Everyone watching, thank you so much for spending your time with us.
If you liked this long conversation, please click like and subscribe to Mr. Peter channel.
And share it with your friends so more people can learn English naturally.
We love creating these conversations for you.
And we'll be back with more very soon.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.